In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why your workouts aren't working. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your trainer Remy here. On my channel, we deck all things fitness education, workout tips, glute growth, muscle growth, and so much more. Do you go to the gym or do you work out at home, but you constantly find that you're not seeing results, you're not getting where you want to be, or you just don't feel like your workouts are working? There's a reason for that, and I'm going to explain it to you right now.
For this video, I'm primarily going to be focusing on weightlifting workouts. I'm not going to consider other forms of working out.
One of the main reasons why your workouts might not be working is because your exercise order is completely off. When you're doing a weightlifting workout, you want to put the most difficult exercise at the very beginning. So this will typically be your compounds. And you want to put your isolations and your simpler, easier exercises closer to the end. Think of it like this.
If you had to pick up a car or a medium-sized rock, you'd probably pick up the car first because you know that you'll need more energy to pick up the car. Whereas if you picked up the rock first, you'd probably be tired from picking up the medium-sized rock that you wouldn't even be able to pick up the car. Not that you can pick up a car anyway, just an example.
If you're starting, let's say, a leg workout and you're doing a hamstring curl first, then you're putting your heavy barbell squats or your deadlifts all the way at the end,
you should probably reverse that order.
You want to optimize your training by putting the most difficult exercise at the beginning and the more simpler ones at the end. Tackle the big things first.
For those of you who don't know, I have a video on compounds, but a compound is basically an exercise that targets more than one muscle group. So a squat, for example, targets quads, hamstrings, and glutes.
You would put a compound exercise that is difficult, such as a squat, at the beginning of a workout because you have the most energy to do it, which means you'll probably have the best results. You'll be hitting PRs, you'll be improving at that exercise. If you put a really easy exercise at the beginning, you'll obviously be able to do it, you'll improve, but it will be too easy. So then when you get to the squat at the very end of your workout, you'll be Your workout might also not be working depending on how long you're training for. Online, there are fitness videos available, and I even do some myself of quick glute workouts, quick beginner workouts, and those are great building blocks. It all depends on what your goals are. Based on studies and what they teach in personal training, your workouts as an advanced intermediate should be around 1 hour to 2 hours in the gym. For a beginner who's just starting out, you're probably going to be on the lower end of that, so 30 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour. This includes your warm-up and your cool down and all the exercises in between. The reason why studies recommend doing a workout for this long is because this is the optimal range for making improvements. If your workout's only 10 minutes, you're probably not hitting the muscles you need to hit, and you're probably not doing really any exercises, especially if you are using weight. If you're doing a body weight circuit, it's a little bit easier to get through those exercises quicker, but if you're loading up a barbell for a deadlift,
10 minutes is not enough
time to probably even do 3 sets. So if you're working out at home and you're building your glutes or trying to get fit at home doing circuits you see on YouTube or simple at-home exercises, that is your goal. You're just aiming for a beginner fitness goal. If you're trying to grow your glutes, then you will be working in the intermediate range because you'll be focusing on hypertrophy, which is glute growth. So you'll probably be training longer and incorporating some form of weights. Along with how long you're working out, what you do in the gym or at home is also very important in your success in your lifts and in your working out. If you're not seeing progress, you might want to reevaluate your exercises and see what you're doing. If you're simply only doing isolation exercises with really light weight and you've surpassed the level you're at now, maybe you need to add more weight, add more reps, change up your workout routine. Play around with different exercises, see what works best for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Drop in the comments what video you want to see from me next. Check me out on all my other social medias. They will be linked down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys in a couple days in my next video. Bye, Fit Fam.